Hello, this is Doug from Stealth Trader with your daily trade video. This trade was done in our live trade room at stealthtrader.com. The trade was on the 30-year bond future contract. That is the ZBM5. The system gave us an alert and lit up the ZBM5, and it gave us 4 blue peak indicator lights. The perception gauge got below its blue line in an oversold scenario, lighting up the P. The commitment gauge got below its minus 80 level, lighting up the C. The equilibrium gauge got to its minus 2 level, lighting up the E, and the short-term sentiment got to its extreme, lighting up the S. So we placed one buy order at 166.010 on a limit. That means that we have to be filled at 166.010. The midterm and the long-term sentiment were all showing that the sentiment on the longer time frames was also to the long side. The auto bias was at plus 50, and the multi-time frame equilibriums were also showing that we were reaching at least -1, if not -2. This is a good setup to go long in this particular security. The current equilibrium price is 166.030. So we're looking to exit this trade once it reaches the equilibrium or fair value, or the commitment gauge gets back to its center line, or the perception gauge gets back to its center line. So we're just going to move this video forward. And you can see that we did get filled at 166.010, and because of the fact that the equilibrium price was at 166.030, we placed a sell order for one contract at 166.030 on a limit. That means that we have to be filled at 166.030. Each tick on the 30-year bond future contract is worth $31.25, so we're looking to make $62.50 or 2 ticks on this particular trade. So we're just allowing this to work. We're going to move it forward, and the short-term sentiment is no longer at its extreme. The perception gauge is now moving up and is no longer in the oversold, and the commitment gauge is no longer at the minus 80, and the equilibrium price, the equilibrium gauge is coming up towards the equilibrium price at 166.030. We're currently trading right now at 166.020. We're waiting for this order that we have placed to close the trade at 166.030. And we're currently up 1 tick, or up $31.25 on this trade. You can see that there's a little bit of blue coming in here. This is what we want to see. We want to see more buying coming in. You can see that the blue is becoming brighter, and there we go. The price got to 166.030 and filled us and closed out the trade for a profit of $62.50 less commission. Very easy trade, very quick trade with a high probability. Look forward to more of these videos at stealthtrader.com, and thank you. Have a good day.